Hey guys, so today we'll be unboxing and taking a look at the Panasonic 3-blade wet and dry electric shaver. So this is the ES-RT37. So this is currently in Argos for around £50. Amazon's around 40, and if you're lucky like I was, you can find it on eBay for £25 brand new. So let's just quickly look at the outside. So you get the Panasonic branding, you get wet and dry, essential performance shaver, sharp yet gentle blade for smooth finish every time. And the blades itself are Japanese. So let's just look at the sides quickly. You get 1 hour full charge, up to 54 minutes of cordless shaving. So it's basically, compared to my original Panasonic shaver, which was around 4-hour charge for around half an hour use, this is an hour charge for around 54 minutes use. So it's got automatic universal voltage. It has 5 minutes quick charge, which equals to 1 shave. So if you need a quick shave on the go, it'll be very useful. You got the 3 blades, washable for easy maintenance, so you can take the blades off and wash it itself. You have a charge status lamp, basically means on the charger itself it will indicate, or on the actual shaver, and there's a lithium ion battery inside. So on the back again it just shows close shave, gentle on skin, smooth pre-shave. So you get a little trimmer attachment. So compared to the Braun series, I've used the bronze one and I've always preferred Panasonic. My old one had lasted me around 5-6 years, and the battery now just dies out, so I felt like I need to change it. So that's why I stuck with Panasonic. You get precision shaving. The actual head itself does move, so it pivots to give it a closer shave. So yeah, that's the back. So let's just get it opened up. First thing you see when you open it up is the shaver itself at the front with a brush and the charging unit. So let's just look underneath. So underneath you get basically all the box standards. You get operational instruction and rechargeable shaver, so it just gives you a few models which this manual works for, and then you get the guarantee leaflet. That's about it. So then you get the charger itself. With majority of shavers in the UK, they have a European pin adapter, so you would need to get the European to UK adapter. That's the same as my old one, and that's the same as most Brauns. So yeah, other than that, you get the brush head itself. This is the brush head to clean the actual head of the shaver. And then last but not least, you get the shaver itself. So let's just quickly open it up. I like the fact that this one has included a travel cover for the blade itself. It's quite nice. I do like the colour. My old one was black, very similar to this one. My old one did cost me over £100. So I thought, when I saw this on for £25, I thought it was a bargain. It is ABS plastic, but it's got a nice rubber texture along the sides, on either side here and here. And then at the front, you've got these two. At the front, you have these 2 black buttons that you can push, and that releases the blades. And then you can just remove these blades right off. So yeah, so it should be quite easy to maintain, guys. And you can't get the lid wrong. It goes in one way, like so. With the trimmer, you get this little tab. You just push up onto the tab, and the trimmer pops out and clips into place. Not sure if you can hear it, but I'll do it again. There's the click. So you get a nice little shaver at the front. Other than that, you get the 3 blades, and as you can see, the head does pivot. It only pivots side to side. It's not like the 360 ones that you can get on Braun. You've got a proprietary charging cable, which, to be fair, I've got the exact same one from my old Panasonic, so they haven't changed that at all. It's just a higher voltage charger, which means you get a quicker charge. And then at the front of the shaver, you get your charging indicator, and your battery percentage indicator is shown by dots. And you get your on-off switch at the front. Let's just check if there's any power. Yes, there is, and as you can hear it straight away. But there's a blue indicator showing just there. So let's just try it out. Try the trimmer. Not sure if you can hear it. It is removing the hair quite well. I mentioned before, this is the old one, and this is how the new one looks. The old one was worth the value. Had a digital screen, had an overall better built quality, but for 25 quid, guys, I will not complain with this shaver, and I'm hoping because it's a Panasonic it will last a while. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos coming up soon. Peace out.